The Swivel Pro 60 is a movable workbench and toolbox that eliminates troublesome drawer slides and bearings that will wear out and fail. Dirt and dust will not affect the strong patented greasable swivel hinge, plus they will never bind or sag. Extremely low resistance allows very heavy drawers to close properly every time with one hand. Never worry about something catching or jamming on the drawer above with flat drawer bottoms. The fully welded heavy gauge all steel construction includes 10 and 14 gauge drawers, solid 1-inch shafts, 1/4 inch tops, and 2-inch square tube frames, all coated with durable powder paint. Easily movable with patented foot pedal system that moves the casters up and down so they will never get flat spots, and the bench is always stable sitting on the frame with adjustable leveling feet. All drawers lock with one key thanks to our exclusive swivel secure tamper-proof central locking systems.